Yellow! Welcome back to Fool's Cooking. Today's dish is a work of art, a big recipe, and a whole lot of flavor. You're gonna love the Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Let's start with the broth. To make the best soup, you gotta do it old school. Homemade, yo. First, debone a whole beef shank and then tendons. The basic broth ingredients are carrots, onions, garlic, and ginger. Pretty simple, right? Then have that simmer for a good 6 hours or so. Now put the broth making aside and get our cooking going. Boil water, add peeled ginger that has been thinly sliced. Add the beef shank, have it to boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Then remove the shank from the water. Cut beef into half-inch thick. On a large, deep pan, add oil. Add sliced onions. Sliced ginger, garlic, then beef shank. For spices, we add 3 tablespoons of spicy bean paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, half cup of cooking wine, quarter cup of light soy sauce, quarter cup of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of 5 spice, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, 4-star anise, 3 stems of green onions, 4 chili peppers, one liter of beef broth, 4 bay leaves, 3 tomatoes cut into 6, holy dang it, that was a whole shit of ingredients. Oh my god, I need a cup of water. Okay, but it's gonna be worth it. Let all that simmer for 20 minutes. Then pour all the goodies into a large pot. Then add 2 liters of water and simmer for 2 hours. Now the soup is almost done, so let's prep our noodles. In boiling water, blanch noodles until soft. Bok choy, blanch it for about 3 minutes. Toppings to complete this dish is some pickled veggies, parsley, and some chili peppers. There you go! Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Look at that bowl. That looks fire. Bomb, right? It's good. Alright, hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.